Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. Today is 21st June 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 carats gold. Without VAT price is 221.56 and with VAT is 254.79. 1 gram price for 22 carats is 203.39 without VAT and with VAT is 233.90. For 21 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 193.87 and with VAT is 222.95. For 18 carats gold, without VAT price is 166.17 and with VAT is 191.10. For 14 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 129.61 and with VAT is 149.05. For 10 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 92.39 and with VAT is 106.25. Last but not the least, for the 6 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 55.39 and with VAT is 63.70, keeping in mind that the VAT rate in Saudi Arabia is 15% out of 100. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and do share this information with a friend and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.